Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at Costco. First, ensure your Apple device, whether it's an iPhone or Apple Watch, is properly set up with Apple Pay. It's crucial to link a Visa credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet, as Costco primarily accepts Visa for these transactions. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick checkout experience when you're ready to shop at the warehouse. When you're ready to pay at the register, simply open your Apple Wallet on your device. Select the Visa card you intend to use for your purchase. Then, hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the payment terminal, usually indicated by the contactless payment symbol. You'll then authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, completing your purchase in just a few seconds. Beyond the warehouse, Apple Pay offers convenience for your Costco purchases online and at the gas station. You can seamlessly use Apple Pay when shopping on Costco.com, making online checkouts quick and secure. Additionally, many Costco gas stations now accept Apple Pay. Just confirm the pump has a contactless reader, and you can pay for your fuel with a simple tap of your device. To ensure a smooth transaction every time, always double-check that your preferred Visa card is set as the default in your Apple Wallet. Embracing Apple Pay at Costco provides both convenience and enhanced security. Your payment information is encrypted and never shared with the merchant, protecting your financial details. Enjoy the ease of leaving your physical wallet behind and paying with just your Apple device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.